be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. All right, let's change the filter. This is a new style air cleaner. This is an old style air cleaner. Now, this one's been upgraded to use the new style filter, so we're just going to show you how this filter goes in. It's real simple to do. Pull the door off. The back of the door has the model number, and from that we can determine which air filter your particular air cleaner takes. So set the door on the side, slide out the old filter, and we'll take the new filter out of the box. Okay, there's an arrow on this thing. The arrow always points towards the furnace. That is the direction of the airflow. The air is always going towards the furnace. So if this air cleaner cabinet were installed right here, the air would be going that way, so we're going to have the arrow pointing this way. Now, I like to put these little plastic guides onto the metal rail. I like to do the bottom first and then the top. I think it's easier. Okay, there's the bottom one. And bring the top up and slide it on. Put the door on, and we're done. It's that simple. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.